See, the issue with TikTok brain rot is that it's so relevant that there's just new brain rot every single week. It's so hard to keep track of what the fuck is going on. It's just horrid audios and horrible edits. 1 week it can go from
Yo, chill the fuck out, yo. You sitting there playing with
to the next week being
Artist who can sing versus artist who can't sing.
yo, that's all on me. Made it brick by brick. Imagine some archaeologists trying to understand the type of stuff we watch on your app. What could this ever mean, Smith? Shit, I don't even know, bro.